All right, so this is the full-size folding wireless keyboard. This is a really cool one where it has an extra spot to it. Here it is right here. You unfold it like that. And for one, you get your full-size keyboard, but you also get the side part with the numbers. So if you do crunch a lot of numbers in your day-to-day tasks, this will help out so much more than having to hit these ones up here. Now, there is a power button on the top that you can switch it on, and you can charge this thing up through USB-C, which it does come with the cable. It also comes with this nice little bag for it, so when you're traveling, you can just toss it in there. And it comes with this little phone stand, or you can also put your iPad or tablet on there as well. You can set it up nice if you want to use your phone or tablet when you're typing. What's cool about this one, first of all, is you have a lot of awesome function shortcuts up here at the top, but then you can also pair up to 3 different Bluetooth devices really easily too. So when you turn it on and you just hold down the function button and then you hold down like 1, it will go into pairing mode, and then on your computer you can pair that up. But then once it's all paired up, you can go from 1 like computer to your iPad, 3 your iPhone, just like that. So it's like if you want to switch from one to the other, you have it sitting there and you're like, okay, now I need to type on my iPhone, press 2, then it goes over to your iPhone really quickly, and then you can start typing, and it's just like magic. Now, the folding mechanisms are really strong, and this whole thing is very lightweight, making it perfect for traveling. So also you get this like nice grip on it as well. So it kind of has a nice little rubber grip, so that way when it's sitting on the ground, it's not gonna slide around too much. So you get a really nice, comfortable part on your desk. And typing is really, really nice too, because they have these little scissor keys, and it just makes it really easy to type on here and really comfortable on your hands. I love it, it's great. It works so well. I love that you can switch between 3 different devices that quickly, and just this, like that, like that's it. Take this out of your bag. And there's sometimes you don't want to be using your laptop keyboard. It's kind of annoying. So you want to set it further away and you can kind of type like this. That makes a huge difference. And it's just quality made. And again, lightweight, perfect for traveling. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.